In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on this Audi A4. This is going to be located under the engine compartment on the passenger side. Let's get into it. On the passenger side of your engine compartment, where this weather strip is, you just want to peel this back. And there's a cover right here. You want to pick that up and pull that forward. There's a cover right here. Just push on these tabs up and slide that up. And this comes right out. You can see the filter right here. Just grab the filter, lift it up, and we'll slide it out. And you want to check the airflow, and the airflow is going to go down. Put that in place. Take the cover. Just tip it forward. Get that in place. Lock it down. Take this cover. Push this in here. Take the weather stripping and push that back in place. Make sure it's secure. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.